Hey gang, Matt from Easy Breakouts, about to start another current market trend review, but before I do, just wanted to mention that if you find this video helpful, be sure to click on that subscribe button down below. Also, you can view additional videos by visiting our YouTube channel. Alright, let's hop into our analysis. So folks, another triple digit Dow day here, talking about the Dow up 107 points. Folks, all-time highs across the board for all of the equities here. So all of the four majors here, Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell's, all up into new all-time highs. So there's going to be a couple of important points I'm going to make about this rally as we take a look at the charts. But as of right now, we're facing a really nice rally. Things across the board are breaking out. And let's hop into the S&P 500 dailies as we do every single time. And so folks, here we are. Look at this beautiful rally right above these 2300s. Now, if you recall, that was the area we were looking for that additional sign of strength from the market. We broke out about 5 days ago, and here we are 5 days up, 6 days up in a row, really. And this is a beautiful rally. So now, here comes the very important part. When you're up like this, there's a lot of stocks that are breaking out, and there are going to be some individual trades that are going to be very big trades for you as a trader, okay? But here's the main thing. Do not get caught up in the euphoria of this and start to break rules in terms of your risk management and how big of a position you're going to take. It's very easy when everything's working and going up to say, hey, I'm going to take a bigger position than I normally do on this one trade because, hey, I could make a lot more money. Folks, you got to resist doing that. Okay, so even though we're up on these highs, it's a very strong rally. We've been taking some very nice trades in our trading room. Here's the thing. We're taking the very same risk parameters that we did 2 weeks ago, 5 weeks ago, 5 months ago. It's the same risk parameters, and we're following a very specific set of rules. So no matter whether the market's in a very strong uptrend, back and forth, choppy, or heading into a correction, folks, you have to have a game plan and stick with it every single time. And that's the only main thing about this. Now, when we take a look at the individual, I should say the intraday charts, just a couple of things to keep in mind. Okay, we need to stay above these 2300s. It wouldn't surprise me if we pulled back for a couple of days. It's been a very strong run. You know, there's probably some people itching to take profits. I wouldn't think that would be the start of anything major. But if you're underneath these 2300s, that could be your first early heads up that there's a chink in the armor, so to speak, of this rally that we've been seeing. So just watch that area, and as far as any sort of pullbacks at this point, folks, every uptrend is going to have some pullbacks, some down days along the way, and just keep that in mind that that's perfectly normal, perfectly healthy. We haven't seen a lot of heavy volume selling days. That's also another plus. So just keep watching these index, and most importantly, watch the individual stocks for their breakout points in the chart patterns. As we move over to the NASDAQ here, folks, taking a look at the NASDAQ, another new all-time high, getting above those 5,800 whole numbers. Look at the relative strength, right, creeping up here as well. So this is one of the things we've mentioned here, and we noticed this at the beginning of January. We started to say, hey, watch the NASDAQ. It does seem like it's shifting into more of the leadership role. We are also talking about how this is more typical of a normal healthy rally with the NASDAQ leading the charge, and this is what we're seeing here as far as the NASDAQ. We had the big cap heavyweight stocks, and I mean really this move here that we've seen in the NASDAQ has really been helped out by Apple hitting new all-time highs as well. We have the Facebook and the Google. They're up on highs, but they're still not really releasing to the upside. You can see that there's a bit of like a cup with a high handle here on the Facebook. Google as well as try to work on a secondary attempt back up above these 850s, and Amazon as well. So, Amazon needs to get above 850 as well, and I think you'll see a lot of release to the upside from the NASDAQ if you start to get all four of the major big cap tech stocks working to the upside. Now, just one quick analysis here. Here's the Dow Jones. Dow Jones breaking out of these 20,000s very nicely. Remember, that was a sticking point for quite some time. And then here's the Russell here, also breaking out into new all-time highs. Not as much of upside release as we see with the other four majors, or I should say the other three majors, but it is notable to see that all four of the majors are into new high territory. Now, a couple of things about this. We've had some really great trades here, like look at these GMEDs, right? Ripping higher on the day. This GLW for the last couple of days has been moving higher. Another one was this NOW. This got up and out of the chute here. And then we also had a couple of nice day trades in the room too. Here's another one that was on our daily stock picks list, something that's updated every evening for our members. But if you take a look at the intraday charts on this, we had buy points right around the 1680s. This was a day trade for us, moving all the way up into the 1730s. And that doesn't sound like a lot, 50 cents, but think about it. This is a $17
stock. That's a big move for a $17 stock. So, game plan always has been, always will be looking for the very best relative strength stocks, breaking out of recognizable chart patterns with volume. That's what we do every single day. Folks, have a great trading day ahead and join us for our next market trend review.
Hey, by the way, if you haven't done so already and you're liking the analysis, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And as a reminder, you can also view additional videos by visiting our YouTube channel. Or if you'd like to find out more about easy breakouts, go ahead and click that show more right above the comments section to find out more about easy breakouts. But other than that, have a great trading day ahead, and may the trend be with you. Take care, everyone.